So we're gonna try to make a petrol run. We're gonna let the bike warm up, then we dip. Oh, don't tell me it's gonna start raining. I see fucking raindrops here. Nuh-uh. My fucking SD card keeps disconnected from this fucking camera. I'm getting paid tomorrow, so I'm going to an electrical shop and I'm buying a goddamn fucking GoPro. Oh no, don't tell me the microphone's not working. Ha! Also yesterday, I passed my fucking driving test. This camera is a heap of shit. Oh no! This microphone is so fucking bad. Paired with this fucking camera, it's a heap of shit. Ah! Why does the SD card keep fucking going off? Fucking neutral. What I really want to do is record myself a goddamn flyby. I don't remember your face.
2 very boring minutes later.
I'm finally fueling up. Right to the brim. For me. Watch out. Alright, my badonkadonk. I'm out. I'll see you later. Fuck you. So, I got the new GoPro Hero 11. This is the quality. I gotta charge it properly still because it's on 20%. And I've been charging it for the past 30 minutes. So I assume the battery's fucking amazing. I had my right indicator on this whole fucking time. So the beach? My brother is somewhere down here. I gotta find him. You're recording? Yeah. Lightly. What if I scream? Yo, it's a Harrington truck! Like, I need a fat piss. I'm nearly home. Yo, watch out. Whoa. Go on. Yeah. This is my daily parking routine. I park here. Neutral. Leg. We turn off the bike. We take my phone. Oh my god, I need a piss. Holy shit. I usually take my shoes off, but this time I just can't hold it in anymore. Yeah, you're not watching me piss.